Well, you're almost done, but first, you've got one final task to complete, and you'll have to do it on your own. It's the final exam. Until now, you've had quizzes to test yourself, to see if you were picking up the concepts from the lesson, and labs where you could try out what you learned to see if you could do it on your own. But with this next step, you'll need to demonstrate that knowledge. If you pass with at least 70% on the final, you'll get a certificate of completion. Here's how the exam will work. There'll be a combination of multiple choice questions and hands-on assessments, similar to what you've already seen. For the latter, you'll have to perform a task on your computer, like spinning up a cluster. We won't have access to your machine, so to verify that you did it correctly, we'll ask for you to perform an operation and paste the result into a box. The answer will be hard to intuit, but easily called up if you've completed the task first. Here's an example to show what such a question might look like. One thing I want you to notice. See this check answer button? It's a way for you to be sure you've found the right answer. If you input something wrong, it'll outline your answer in red with an X. If it's correct, it'll be green with a check mark. You only get 2 chances to check your answer before you'll have to submit, so use those wisely. If you don't see a green check mark after 2 tries, you'll have to submit your final answer without knowing if you got it right or wrong. If you do see the green check mark, you got it correct. Submit with that answer. For the multiple choice questions, you won't be able to check your answers. That's okay. Take your time, review your work, and be sure that you know the correct answer before you make your choice. The exam won't be timed, so you can take things slow and be thorough. Once you've submitted your final, your grade will determine what happens. If you pass, you'll be emailed the certificate of completion and you'll be able to access it through your dashboard. If not, that's okay. You can re-enroll, go through the material again, and when you're ready, make another attempt at the final exam. And that's how the final will work. You'll be on your own, but let me say goodbye with this. Good luck. I'm rooting for you.